the mighty rhinoceros, nature's armored giant. Welcome to FactStormLab, my friends. Today, we explore one of nature's most incredible giants, the rhinoceros. The rhinoceros, often called the living tank of the animal kingdom, is known for its massive size, thick armor-like skin, and its iconic horn. But there's so much more to this magnificent creature than meets the eye. Segment 1. Origins and Species. Rhinoceroses have roamed the earth for over 50 million years. Today, there are 5 main species: the white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Each species has unique features, but all are facing the threat of extinction. Imagine a world where these giants no longer roam the wild. It's a terrifying thought for nature lovers. Segment 2. Physical features. A fully grown rhino can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms. That's more than a small car. Its skin is like armor, up to 5 centimeters thick, protecting it from predators and even harsh weather. The horn, made of keratin, the same substance as human nails, is not just for fighting. Rhinos use it to dig for water, break branches, and even mark their territory. Segment 3. Behavior and diet. Rhinos are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses, leaves, and shoots. Despite their size, they can run up to 50 kilometers per hour, faster than many predators. They are solitary creatures, with each rhino fiercely defending its territory. But did you know? Rhinos have poor eyesight, yet their sense of smell and hearing are incredibly sharp, helping them survive in the wild. Segment 4. Threats and Conservation. Sadly, rhinoceroses are one of the most endangered animals on Earth. Poaching for their horns has pushed them to the brink of extinction. The horn is falsely believed to have medicinal properties, leading to thousands of rhinos being killed every year. Conservationists across the globe are working tirelessly to protect these giants, from anti-poaching patrols to habitat restoration projects. Segment: Incredible Facts. Rhinos communicate using grunts, snorts, and even by marking dung piles. Baby rhinos, called calves, can weigh up to 65 kilograms at birth. Some rhino species can live up to 50 years in the wild. Despite their fierce appearance, rhinos are gentle unless provoked. Segment 6. Rhino in Culture and History. Throughout history, rhinos have fascinated humans. Ancient texts and art depict rhinos as symbols of strength, resilience, and power. In some cultures, the rhino horn was considered a treasure of immense value. Segment: The Future of Rhinos. The survival of rhinos depends on us, humans. Protecting their habitats, stopping poaching, and spreading awareness are the keys to ensuring these incredible creatures continue to roam our planet. Imagine the world without the thunder of a rhino's footsteps. It would be a world far less magical. So, my friends, the next time you hear about a rhino, remember, these armored giants are not just animals. They are living